Welcome to another awesome episode of Graphic Evolve. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Windows parallelly on Apple's Mac. So yes, it can be any Mac. So yes, you can see you might be having a Mac PC and you guys would feel to use Microsoft operating system. So yes, this is a genuine thing I'm gonna show you guys. So it's official Microsoft website and imagine.microsoft.com. So you can just register here for a student ID to get a free software of using Microsoft Windows and Mac parallelly. So yes, using a genuine software is totally risk free, guys. So you just don't need to take any stress or any kind of tension for that. So this is a free licensed software only for you need to verify your student in imaginemicrosoft.com. You can just google it, or else this software is a huge costly thing. And so the best virtual memory to run this Windows and Mac parallelly is on parallel desktop for Mac Pro. Yes, edition, and yes, you can see, you can find it in catalog software support, and it's 100% genuine and official, guys. So just feel it as risk free. It's getting loaded. So yes, using of two operating systems in a single PC is known as virtualization. So the best virtualization and genuine is a parallel desktop for Mac Pro Edition, guys. So you can click it on right over there. It's getting loaded. So yes, it has loaded right now. So yes, you can see parallel desktop for Mac Pro Edition. So it's so you can just run all these kind of softwares on Mac itself, like Ubuntu, Linux, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 Pro, OS XL, and such. So yes, you just need to download this software right over here on download desktop and get key. So you can just click on key for licensing. It's totally free for Microsoft Imagine. Yes, here you got the key, guys, and just best of luck for this, and hope so this works for you. Just download Microsoft down parallel desktop right over here and install it in your Mac. Put this key right over there, and yes, you can use Microsoft Windows officially and genuinely for free on your Mac. So yes, guys, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel Graphic Evolved. I have 4,000 subscribers. Thanks to you all, guys. This is a thing motivating for me, and I have awesome content for all of you guys, and hope so you subscribe for motivating me, and thanks for watching.